New to the Motability Scheme? Use your qualifying mobility allowance to lease a brand new vehicle with insurance, breakdown, servicing and maintenance included. You choose who drives, and we'll even support you with charging if you choose an electric vehicle. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. First, choose your vehicle. We've got a wide range of brand new vehicles, or with the latest technology. You can choose between a car, wheelchair accessible vehicle, scooter or powered wheelchair. Plus, we have adaptations to help you drive, get in and out and store equipment. We also have a great choice of electric cars. We'll arrange a home charge point and standard installation as part of your lease to make things easy. And we'll help you with charging on the go. Search for a vehicle at motability.co.uk/car search. Step 2. Next, it's time to take a test drive and order your new vehicle. You can speak to a Motability Scheme specialist at your local dealer to book a test drive. Try a few different options. Depending on what you choose, you might need to top up with an advance payment. Start applying online at motability.co.uk/account to save time later. When you're happy, your dealer will order your vehicle for you. Step 3. Your lease begins when you pick up your vehicle from your dealer. Then, all that's left to do is enjoy your new vehicle. We'll receive your allowance payments straight from your allowance provider. Remember, we're here to support you with insurance, breakdown, servicing and maintenance throughout your lease. It's all included. At the end of your lease, hand your vehicle back